Rachel, go ahead.
First of all, congratulations. 2 goals on the night. Big night for you. What were kind of your emotions going into today's game?
Well, my emotion was happiness because the whole season we've been working hard. Coach was telling me this is what I need to do to be connected with the team, and I do whatever I can do. And my emotion today was happiness. That's all it is.
And you guys going to continue that hopefully happiness emotion going into Friday's game. Is there anything you're really looking to do in that game? Obviously, I'm sure you have individual goals, but as a team, is there any accomplishments you guys are hoping to make besides a win?
Honestly, the goal is a teamwork. If I was able to score 2 goals, everything is the teamwork. You know what I mean? So, as a team, we come here to fight to get to the conference and see where we can go to national and see what we can do. It's a teamwork. I can't do it by myself. Even we all have individual talent, but I can't do it by myself. It's a teamwork, and that's always gonna be. It's always gonna be a teamwork.
Short and simple, but are you guys having fun playing together?
Oh yeah, we're having so much fun because that's what the game is about. It's to have fun and respect each other and fight for each other and be disciplined like our coach tells us all the time. So yeah, we do love playing with each other.
Perfect. Well, congratulations. I'll let you go celebrate with your team and good luck on Friday. Thank you. Back to you, Jordan.
Thanks, Rachel. I love those words from Ruby DeLuzma. Roland, this seems like a team who knows their roles and they execute properly.
And they're so dangerous. They're going to be really dangerous on Friday. They were brilliant tonight. They did, as you said, executed their roles individually. They did some really good things. They kept to their positions. They kept tactically strong. They were absolutely fantastic.
Coach Paul Lees has instilled something within this squad that is quite powerful. They played a great style of soccer tonight, and it was the Vaqueros from nearly the first 10 minutes that really held a lot of the possession. The Vaqueros topped the Rebels tonight in our second of the 3 games here for the Western Athletic Conference Men's Soccer Tournament, 4-1. That is all we have for you guys. For Roland Vargas and Rachel Vigil, I'm Jordan Angeli. Thank you for watching the Western Athletic Conference WAC Digital Network.